Hello and welcome to a demonstration of Table Mic 2 and the groundbreaking MultiBeam technology. Just behind me there's a meeting taking place, a common situation in everyday working life, but also one of the most challenging situations for a person with a hearing loss. The seating arrangements makes it impossible to get close enough to hear everyone clearly, and the acoustics are often far from optimal. Add some background noise and it becomes even more difficult to hear. In just a few seconds we will sneak into the meeting and actually experience the benefits of using Table Mic 2 through the hearing aids worn by Sarah. Everything you hear during the demonstration is recorded through her hearing aids, with and without the help of Table Mic 2. Let's enter the meeting. You are now hearing me through Sarah's hearing aids. As you probably notice, the sound is quite different from what you heard before. You hear the noise of the air conditioner, a projector, people typing, and other sounds that typically appear in the meeting situation. All this noise might not be so distracting for a person with a normal hearing, but as you can hear, with hearing aids it can be quite disturbing. Adding to this, the people sitting further away become more difficult to hear because of the distance. Chris' voice will be softer and start to be drowned out by all the competing sounds and reverberation. It now becomes very challenging for Sarah to hear, and she really needs to concentrate on what Chris is saying. At the end of the table, Lisa is facing Sarah, 4 to 5 meters away. From this position, it's almost impossible for Sarah to hear what is being said, and she has to resort to lip reading. Taking notes is out of the question, and you can imagine the struggle to fully participate and contribute to the meeting under these circumstances. It's in these situations where Table Mic 2, the unique far-phone microphone persona, really shines. Let's listen to the difference. You now hear me through the microphones on the table. My voice is picked up by the microphones and is sent directly to Sarah's hearing aids. The groundbreaking MultiBeam technology separates the speech from the noise by directing a beam towards the talker and reducing the background noise significantly. Let's listen to the difference once more. Now you really need to concentrate on what I'm saying, which becomes challenging under these circumstances. With the Table Mic 2, it gets much easier to communicate, participate, and contribute to the meeting. Any number of Table Mic 2 can be connected to each other in a multi-talker network. That means no matter where the talker is sitting, a beam in the closest microphone will pick up the voice and reduce noise and reverberation. Sarah can now focus on her work rather than on hearing. I hope you enjoyed this short demonstration. Table Mic 2 is designed for a modern workplace. Multiple Table microphones can be connected to create a network, making it ideal for any meeting configuration. Simply place it on the table and it picks up speech in a way that no other product on the market does. With outstanding operating time and the included remote, it's convenience at its best. So, communicate, participate and contribute at work with Table Mic 2. And if you want to know more, please visit Phonak.com. Thank you.